Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into real-world fixes for your everyday gadgets. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's all too common with HP printers. The power light blinking, specifically error code 719 on 2025 models. If your printer's light is flashing and it's grinding your workflow to a halt, don't worry. We've got straightforward solutions to get you printing again in no time. First off, let's understand what this blinking light means. Error code 719 often signals problems like a paper jam, low ink levels, or even a connectivity glitch. It's HP's way of saying, hey, something's not right. But before you panic, start with the basics. Unplug your printer from the power source, wait about 60 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple reset can fix minor glitches and stop that annoying blink. Next, check for any paper jams. Open the printer's cover carefully and look inside for stuck paper. Gently remove it if you find any, making sure not to tear it or damage the rollers. While you're at it, ensure your paper tray is loaded correctly and that you're using the right type of paper for your model. Low ink or toner is another common culprit. Head to your printer's settings on your computer or the control panel to check levels. If they're low, replace the cartridges pronto. If the light keeps blinking, it might be a software issue. Update your printer drivers by visiting the HP website, downloading the latest version for your 2025 model, and installing it. Also, make sure your printer is connected properly to your Wi-Fi or USB. Sometimes, a loose connection is the hidden villain. There you have it. Easy steps to banish that blinking light for good. If these tips don't work, consider reaching out to HP support or a professional technician. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.